Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Today we'll talk about housekeeping supervision, chapter number 1, subject accommodation operations 1, subject code C303. In this session, we are going to cover what is the use of checklist. This is the overall objectives of this content, and this is the major content of the chapter checklist for inspection. First of all, we should know what is the definition of checklist. A checklist is nothing but a workplace housekeeping checklist is a tool which is used to ensure that the workplace is well organized, hygienic, and safe for all. So, checklist is nothing but what a particular document which is used as a tool in housekeeping department to see whether all the areas has been properly cleaned or not. Is it in hygienic conditions or not? It is properly well organized or not, and it is safe for all the employees to work in respective areas. Now we'll go and see in detail one by one what all things needs to be done in inspection. First, inspection of the cleaned area. First of all, as a housekeeping supervisor, you must go and check each and every guest room properly, thoroughly, whether the area has been cleaned properly or not. It is as per the checklist. Second, it's a tool for supervisor. Supervisor uses this checklist as a tool to see each and every guest room thoroughly, closely, whether all the guest room attendants have cleaned each and every guest rooms as per the standard of hotel or not. He uses this checklist as a tool. Now the third point is checklist are for all areas. There are different kinds of checklists which are used for various areas, maybe public area, maybe front of the house areas, back of the house areas, guest rooms, corridors, landscaping areas, and there are many more. So for each and every areas, we have different kinds of checklist. Fourth point is housekeeping department is responsible for cleanliness. As you know that housekeeping is the only one department in five-star hotel who take care of the cleanliness and hygiene of the hotel. So finally, it goes to housekeeping department whether the areas has been properly cleaned or not. They have paid proper attentions or not, and it is as per the standard procedure or not. So housekeeping department solely responsible for cleanliness and to maintain the hygienic atmosphere in the hotel. Now we can see in the picture it's a cleaning schedule in which all the areas which needs to be cleaned on regular basis, and this schedule is designed for 1 week. So from Monday to Sunday, a particular staff and the supervisor will go and verify these areas whether it is being cleaned properly or not. If something is missing or something is found as a discrepancy, would be noticed and should be reported to the supervisor. Now next point is a standard of cleanliness to be achieved. Like I have mentioned, there is a particular standard to each and every hotel, and they have to stick to the standards so that the hotel will not suffer any kind of loss. And all the standard operating procedure which are prepared by the management should be strictly followed by each and every employees. That's how standards work in five-star hotels. Next point is record any observation. Like I have mentioned, if you're working as a guest room attendant and you found any kind of maintenance issue, any kind of cleanliness issues, then you should observe it properly and you should note it down in a particular document. Same like that, as a supervisor also, you must uh, inspect each and every area physically so that there won't be any chances to overlook the problems or any cleanliness issues. So that's how record plays extremely important role to show that you're following all the standards and procedures in place. Now next point is a detailed checklist downloaded through inspections. Like I mentioned, checklist, it works as a tool for housekeeping supervisor as well as for the guest room attendant. In the checklist, all the things has been mentioned carefully. If let's say it's a guest rooms and there are 50 to 60 items which has been placed, so all the items has been listed down in the checklist, and whether it's been cleaned or not, whether it has any maintenance issues or not, whether the surface is cleaned or not, everything has been clearly mentioned on the checklist. So as per the checklist, guest room attendant go and start making the guest rooms, and same like that, supervisor also go and inspect all the areas thoroughly by physical inspection to be done with the help of checklist. Now I would like to show you one video where housekeeping supervisor personally go and check the rooms whether it has been cleaned properly or not as per the checklist.
Housekeeping, housekeeping, housekeeping. I'm going to start here. I'm checking for dust. I'm checking for dust in here. Checking the table. Please don't see that. Making sure there's nothing here. Checking the table here. Checking the bed. Checking. There's nothing there. Then I'm going around here. No trash in there. Checking out the trash can. No trash in there. Phone. Checking the coffee pot. Coffee. Nothing expired. Okay. I'm coming around, still going around in a circle, checking the TV, making sure the remote control works, making sure there's nothing in the drawer.
Well, the dinosaur forms an unlikely friendship with a human in Disney and Pixar's animated adventure, Good Dinosaur.
Checking in the door. Hey girl! Checking ice pocket. Checking the glasses. No spots. I'm just gonna check the base. I'm not going on top because the guests may see dust here. Now opening up the closet. Making sure there's nothing inside the safe. I'm checking the hangers. There's nothing on top. No water, no iron. Closing the back. I'm checking the bathroom. I'm checking the mirror. Making sure there's no hair on the sink. Checking glasses. I'm turning. I'm checking for dust. I'm grabbing a napkin. I'm going down here. Make sure there's no dust. All the way in the back of the sink. Then, at the same time, I'm checking for hair on the bathroom floor. At the same time, I'm using my same napkin to make sure the commode is clean. Up under the rim is clean. And I'm doing a visual of the shower while I'm still on my knees. I'm looking for hair behind the door. I don't see any. And just checking for soap stuff. I'm walking out and I'm done.
Now you can see how supervisor has inspected the guest rooms. This is the sample checklist format for workplace housekeeping. You can see serial numbers are there, items are there, and whether it has been clean or not. So there are two options, yes or no, and whatever the discrepancy which has been found by the guest room attendant or supervisor, they can clearly mention in the remarks column. So that's how they can keep a track of all the maintenance issues which are facing in each and every guest rooms, as well as the cleanliness has been done by all the guest room attendants on time and as per the schedule. Even they are following all the standard operating procedures. So this is called checklist, and that's how inspection should be done in housekeeping department. Now let's move to the revision section. So the first question which is on the screen, that is, what is checklist? I believe that you have already got the answers for what is checklist. Moving towards second question, that is, what is the use of checklist? We have already seen the uses of checklist in the slides. Now we are moving towards the quiz on checklist of inspection. You can see there is a link. Uh, so this link has been given in the comments box in YouTube. I request you can go to my channel and you can appear for this quiz, and you can see how much you have gained from the PPTs. And these are the references which I have taken for my PPTs. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.